Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 20. This is Section 2.1, Problem 20. It says a car dealership on Route 6 in Westport has 17 cars, 12 pickup trucks, and 8 SUVs. What fraction represents the portion of vehicles at the dealership that are A, cars, B, pickup trucks, and C, SUVs? So we're going to make a fraction for each one with a numerator and denominator, or top and bottom. And the denominator is going to be the total. Now, it doesn't come right out and tell us in the question what that total is, but we can add it up pretty quickly. So we want to add 17 for the cars, plus 12 for the pickup trucks, and 8 for the SUVs. So just at a quick glance, let me add the 8 and the 12 first, because I can see that comes out to 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. And then 17 more for the cars. So 20 and 17 more would be 37. So there's a total of 37 vehicles on this dealership. So what fraction represents the portion that are cars? Well, there are 37 things altogether, and 17 of them are cars. So the fraction of vehicles at the dealership that are cars is 17 over 37. 17 cars out of 37 vehicles altogether. So it'll be the same process for the pickup trucks. The denominator is still 37 because there's still a total of 37 vehicles on the dealership. How many of them are pickup trucks? Well, as we look back at the question, 12 out of the 37 are pickup trucks. So the numerator for the pickup truck fraction will be 12. Again, the denominator would be the total of all the vehicles, which is 37. And finally, SUVs. What fraction represents the part of the vehicles that are SUVs? So again, the total number of vehicles is 37, so that will still be the denominator, or bottom of the fraction. And then the numerator is how many SUVs there are. 8 out of 37 vehicles on the lot are SUVs, so it would be 8 over 37.